Hi, I'm here with another video. So, this is again KCET 2023. This is part 2 video. Part 2 video. In a previous video, I have discussed around 15 questions from the same question paper, that is 2023 KCET. We'll discuss some more questions from the same question paper. So, let's not waste the time here. So, we'll directly discuss. Read out the 16th question here. So in 16th question, they have given which one of the following ecosystem has the highest annual net primary productivity. So they have given regarding annual net primary productivity. You need to choose in which ecosystem the annual net primary productivity will be more. So highest net productivity, net primary productivity, that is NPP in a different ecosystem. So they are asking regarding highest annual net primary productivity, that will be seen in case of this tropical rain forest. So in tropical rain forest, the net primary productivity will be more. So they are asking net primary productivity. So net primary productivity will be more in tropical rain forest. That is, C is the right answer for this question. So read out the next question, that is 17th question. Of the total incident solar radiation, the percentage photosynthetically active radiation par captured by the plants. So here par indicates photosynthetically active radiation. So they are asking how much par will be captured by the plants. So that will be usually usually the 400 to 700 nanometer wavelength, that will be captured by the plants. So as you all know, the plants will be having a pigment, that is chlorophyll. This chlorophyll capture only around 2 to 10% of the par, that is photosynthetically active radiation. So B is the right answer for this one, where the chlorophyll pigment present in a plants can capture only around 2 to 10% of the par. So B is the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss the next question. So 18th question. The historic convention related to conservation of biological diversity is also known as. So this question, it is from the chapter which has been removed from the NCERT. So 18, it is a grace here. So next question, that is 19th question. 19th question. Which one of the following human activity has contributed to deforestation in northeastern states of India? Again, it is from the chapter which has been removed, so it is also grace as it is removed. So 19 also grace. Then 20, in an area where DDT has been used extensively, the population of birds declined significantly because. So again, this question is from the chapter which has been removed, so it is also a grace. So we'll directly discuss the 21st question. The brain capacity of Homo habilis. So this is from evolution chapter. So in order to remember human evolution, just remember this trick, that is drahen. Drahen. D means Dryopithecus, R means Ramapithecus, A means Australopithecus, H means Homo habilis, E means Homo erectus, N means Homo neanderthal, last one, that is Homo sapiens. The last one will be Homo sapiens. So this one will be this one, that is Dryopithecus. This one is Ramapithecus. Ramapithecus. This one Australopithecus. This one will be Homo habilis. This one will be Homo erectus. This one will be Neanderthals. So last one will be Homo sapien. So this is a easy trick to remember the human evolution. Just you need to remember this one, that is Drahen. Here they are asking brain capacity of Homo habilis. So Homo habilis 800 cc, between 650 to 800 cc, 900 cc, then 1400 cc. I will write one more thing here. So here I will write the Homo habilis 650 to 800 cc. Here cc stands for cranial capacity. Then Homo Neanderthals. So Neanderthals will have 1400 cc. Then H erectus, Homo erectus, they will be having around 900 cc. Then the last one, that is Homo sapiens. These Homo sapiens will be having a 1350 cc, that is compared to lesser than this Neanderthal. So here they are asking regarding Homo habilis. So it will be this one, that is between 650 to 800 cc. So B is the right answer for this question. So we'll discuss the next question, that is a 22nd one. What they have given: in bougainvillea and cucurbita, the axillary bud is modified into thorn and tendril respectively. This is an example of. So this example, that is bougainvillea and cucurbita, where the thorns and tendril, they arise from a single bud, that is axillary bud. So origin is same, but the functions are different. So same ancestor will be same, but they are performing different functions. So that is structurally same, but functions are different, and their ancestor will be same. So this is an example of a homologous This is an example of homologous evolution or homologous organs. It is an example of homologous organ. In case of this homologous organ, so this kind of evolution will be called as a divergent evolution. So answer will be, that is B here. B is the right answer for 22nd question. Then 23rd question, read out the question. Identify the incorrect statement. So they are asking regarding a incorrect one. HIV is transmitted by mosquito bite. So this is one of the incorrect statement. So HIV will not get passed from this mosquito bite. Sorry, mosquito bite. So this is the right answer here. Then pneumonia is a bacterial disease, cancer is a non-infectious disease, ringworm is a fungal disease. These are all right here as they asked incorrect statement. So A is the right answer. Then 24th question. A person shows symptoms like sneezing, watery eyes, running nose, and difficulty in breathing on exposure to certain substances in air. Which type of antibody is produced during such condition? These are all the symptoms of allergy. So allergic condition, during allergic reactions in a human body, that is immunoglobulin E will get released. So during such condition, this antibody, that is IgE, will get released. So that is B is the right answer for this question. Then next question, that is 25th question. A man was suffering from mental illness like depression and insomnia. Identify the drug which is normally used as medicine in such cases. So, if the person is suffering from mental illness and depression and insomnia, so usually the doctors will give some of the drugs like, so drugs will be given by the doctor, that is barbiturates, then amphetamines, then benzodiazepines, benzodiazepines. So these are commonly called as LST, that is lysergic acid diethyl amides. So for this one, which is the right answer, that is P. Here they have given lysergic acid diethyl amides, that is LSD. So these barbiturate, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, they will come under this LSD. So B is the right answer for this question. Then Read out the next question. The next question. Plants like Marcantia and Funaria produce gametes by mitosis because their plant body will be what? So here the plant body, that is the gametophyte. So the gametophyte, the plant body in case of Marcantia and Funaria produce gametes by mitosis. So because they are, so the plant body will be haploid in these Marcantia and Funaria. So B is the right answer for this question. The next question, 27th. Identify the asexual reproductive structure M in the following diagram. Here they have given this one, that is M. All you need to choose this M. What is this M indicates? Here the M, that is bird. So this bird, where you see, this will be seen in asexual reproduction during the reproduction in east, that is budding in east. So B is the right answer for this question. Then next question, in some plants stigma and anther mature at different times because, so why the stigma and the anther which are present in a flower, they will mature at different times? Why? So this one, it is because it facilitates self pollination. So in order to avoid self pollination, in order to avoid or in order to prevent self pollination, the stigma and anther which are present in a same plant, they will mature at a different times. So B is the right answer for this question. Then read out the next one. Nowadays, agriculture practice is expensive, so the farmers, as they need to purchase hybrid seeds every year, which of the following strategy can be employed to overcome this problem? So, in modern days and nowadays, the agriculture practice is becoming expensive, and farmers cannot afford such expenses. So, in order to purchase hybrid seeds, they have to spend more. So in order to avoid this problem, what shall be done, or what shall we implement some of the strategies in a agriculture practice? Let's see. They have given synthetic seeds. So again, this is synthetic seeds. Again, it will be costly. So production of apomictic seeds. So apomactic seeds, again the production, it may cost much. Then conventional plant breeding, this one will be easiest way to overcome this problem. The conventional method, that is old method of producing the plants. So C is the right answer for this one. Then parthenocarpy, then it is also little bit costlier thing. So C is the right answer for this question. Then next question, identify the correct order of steps involved in artificial hybridization in plants. So in case of this artificial hybridization, what are all the steps they implement, or they oftenly use the steps during the artificial hybridization. What are those? So the first one, in artificial hybridization, in artificial hybridization, they use some of the steps. The first steps, that is, they take emasculation. Then the second one will be bagging. Then third one will be artificial pollination. Then rebagging. So these are all the four different steps they oftenly follow in the artificial hybridization. So correct answer for this one will be the C1. First one will be emasculation, then bagging, then artificial pollination, then the last one will be rebagging. So C is the right answer for this question. Then read out the next question. Which of the following protozoan parasites cause sleeping sickness? So, sleeping sickness will be shown by a protozoan, that is Trypanosoma gambians. So, this one will cause a sleeping sickness. Sleeping sickness. So, caused by organism, that is Trypanosoma gambians. It is one of the protozoan parasite. So 31 D is the right answer. Then read out the next question. Which of the following phyla possess body cavity as shown in the diagram below? So this is a diagram of the coelomates. Coelomates will be, sorry, so based on the body cavity lined by the mesoderm, we classify into three types: pseudocoelomates, coelomates, and coelomates. So this diagram is of, that is, pseudocoelomate. So pseudocoelomate will be seen in a phylum, that is Aschelminthes. So in order to remember, you just remember this one, that is PA. P for pseudocoelomate, A for Aschelminthes. So pseudocoelomates are those organisms where the body cavity, the body cavity, it is not lined by, not lined by mesoderm, but but this mesoderm, it will be scattered, it will be scattered in the form of what? Pouches. So this one will be seen in case of which animal? This will be seen in case of the Aschelminthes. So where you will see this one? In case of the Aschelminthes. So right answer will be the C, that is Aschelminthes. So C is the right answer for 32 question. Then the 33rd question. A testa and tegmen of a seed coat represent. So testa and tegmen, these are nothing but the dried integuments. These are the dried integuments which are present in a seed. So 33 A is the right answer. Then 34th question. 34th question. The trees Growing in temperature regions show clear demarcation between spring wood and autumn wood. This is because. So this question it is basically removed. So Grace. So next read out the 35th question. Identify the part labeled as M in the diagram given below. So this is a diagram of a chromosome. This one will be called as centromere. So these will be called as chromatids, or we can call it as arms. Then this one will be called as M, that is satellite. Satellite, here we will come across a primary constriction. Primary constriction. So right answer for this one will be, that is D option, satellite. So these satellites are usually called as the non staining secondary constriction. Secondary constrictions at a particular location. So these will be called as satellite. So 35th D is the right answer. Then let's discuss some more question. So 36th question. 36 here, which of the following is not a advantage generally modified crops? Again this chapter has been removed, so it is also out of syllabus. Then 37th question. Some multinational companies have exploited the traditional knowledge of the indigenous people to produce commercially important bioproducts without their consent. This is an example for. So it is a direct question, that is biopiracy. It is from the chapter, that is biotechnology and its application. So 37 C is the right answer. Then 38, one last question for this video, that is 38. In 38, in amphibians and reptiles, the body temperature changes corresponding to external temperature. The organisms which show this kind of response are termed as. So this question again it is from the chapter which has been removed, so it is also a grace. So we have solved around 20 questions in this video. So I will discuss some more questions in the next video. Do follow. Thank you.